But bila I fikir balik, okay lah, tak apa. Kita pilih doktor sebab I takut nanti kalau I jadi artis ke kan, pelukis ke apa ke, I would end up at the road. Hi guys, I'm Dr. Haznil, seorang doktor perubatan dan ini cerita kita.
I nak tahu lah, apa yang buat kamu tu ceburi bidang ni, dan maybe you can start off with kau punya zaman kanak-kanak kamu lah. How was it like growing up?
Well, to tell the truth, kan, masa kecil tak adalah macam fikir nak jadi doktor straight away. You know. My dreams was to pursue in art apa semua.
Okay.
Yeah, I love to do acrylic,
Yep.
lukis, comics and all. Tapi sebab kita tak well off, we don't have the money kot. I think lah that's how it is lah. So our focus is like to study betul-betul and then ambil pekerjaan yang kira we consider as selamat. So at that point of time, of course, being a doctor is a good job in terms of we help people. The pay is also okay, quite good, and especially when kita differentiate between masa kita kecil kan, masa dah besar ni.
Right.
So the pay was okay, good. And of course, the security lah bila jadi doktor tu. So yeah, that is the main reason why I become a doctor actually.
I see, necessity more than a desire lah.
Betul.
What degree of poverty yang kamu ni experience lah sampai tahap nak jadi seorang yang maybe a artist or that, or having the materials to buat art pun susah. How poor were you?
Well, I memang ada this mindset where okay lah, I think this is a bad mindset masa kita kecil. Okay. But dulu kita ada mindset that kalau I was a good student. Okay lah, I'm gonna put it that way. I was a good student. I scored a lot of my exams semua. And cara kita nak sama belajar is memang from beasiswa je.
I see.
That's it as me.
Yeah.
But at that point of time when I nak pilih beasiswa also, my mother akan cakap, you can choose whatever. Bukan kau dapat beasiswa kan, kau boleh kerja. But I think because of the personal experience daripada kecil tu, it really wired me to choose something more secure. So at that point of time, I memang nak masuk Lingkar Wing. Because at that masa tu, Lingkar Wing was like booming as an art school.
Yes.
And I love art school, but I rasa macam very vogue like that.
Pada anda semua yang menonton tu, jangan lupa untuk follow, like, share and subscribe. Dan paling penting sekali guys, kalau korang nak kongsikan cerita tu, korang boleh DM kan saya ataupun komen kat bawah.